5 rupees, yeah. See, if you still, that's what I'm telling, we have taken this decision after due deliberation, after due diligence done. Number one, now after reduction of both the price of diesel as well as the petrol from 20% to 13.5% on petrol and from 12% to 5% on diesel, we became the lowest price of diesel and petrol in the entire nation. So you need to understand that we are, as of now, we are the lowest. Yeah, right now, in fact, the government has taken note very seriously on this, and discussion is still on with IOC. And once our own depot is created within Meghalaya, we will, I think, roughly be safe for not less than 1.5 to 2%. Again, 1.5 up to 2%, we will be benefited. And now, Food and Civil Supply Department is on the job to convince and also to make sure that depot is created within the state of Meghalaya.